Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer Agumbiade. If this is your first time on this channel, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I love you so much. I see you, I appreciate you. You are all the best. You are the real MVP. Thank you guys for always watching my videos. Okay, I just received my Aliexpress order today from the office, and I'd already started opening it, and then I thought, why not come and show you guys some of the things that I got from Aliexpress, and maybe if you guys would like, I could show you how I usually order from Aliexpress. So they're nothing serious per se. I just got one workout mat, but the workout mat has not arrived. I ordered for it, and then the rest of the things I ordered are for Ife, just hair stuff, hair ribbons and all of that. Most of these things are like 400 naira. That is the official rate, dollar rate. One thing you need to know about Aliexpress is that if you're not in a hurry to use the product, right, you can order for it because their delivery takes very long, except if you're going to be using another delivery method, or sorry, another delivery company like maybe DHL or FedEx and all of that, and they're usually very expensive. But if you're going to be using the regular Aliexpress post office delivery, just be sure that your order is going to come in, within maybe 2 weeks to 3 weeks, depending on the seller you bought from, right? So the things I'm going to be showing you guys now are the baby girl hair accessories, and all of that. So stay tuned. So the first thing here is, I don't know what, I think it's a rubber band, but I got this one for like maybe $1 plus. Another thing you need to know about Aliexpress is that they work with the official dollar rate. So if dollar is going for 700 naira in the Nigerian market, just know that Aliexpress is going for official rate, which is like maybe 400 naira or thereabouts. So most of these items are like $1, some are like 50 something cents and all of that. So I think I got this one for like $1, and it is hair ribbons. Ta-da! Hair ribbons. So personally, right, I got bored of all those hair ribbons I buy from the market for this girl. I got really bored, and I thought, why not invest money and buy, something else, They're not really as strong as I want them to be, because this is the first time I'm ordering ribbons. I mean, not ribbons, but hair rubber bands from them. But they are okay. They are okay. They are not the worst. They are not the worst. And the next one is these cute glasses. Can you see? I thought it was really cute, and I think this went for like $2 or so. Girl, Ife likes glasses. Like, she has broken my glasses, so better we get her own. Look at, cute. Let me try it on. Abaya mommy. Look at her. Look at her. It's so cute. This is the hair bow. This one I think is Kaylin that will use it too, because look at, it's cute. But I think it's Kaylin that will use it, because I don't even think Ife has the patience for these things. When the thing do her, she will want to use it, but when the thing don't do her, don't even try her. The next one is this. I'd already opened this one from the office, as in I was too excited. I couldn't wait. That was before I made the decision that I wanted to do this video. So this is it. These are hair. This one I even bought it just even for my sake, but I wish I bought a darker color, because if I'm going to be using it, I'm not going to be wearing pink. Anyway, it will be cute. But this is it. This one, because me too, when I want to pack my hair, now rubber ring they use. I needed to level up. So look at us. Baby thing. Let me see. Okay. Seems okay. Seems okay. At least you can wrap twice, depending on the quantity of hair. See. And I think it's also like $1. He did not even put the prices on the body, but I think it's like $1. Then this one, let me check. These are so tiny. Can you see? Can you see? I'll try and insert the pictures of the things I got from the website. But these things are so tiny. I didn't expect that they would be this tiny. but they are quite a lot. See them. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see? It's quite a lot. Looks like it could be up to maybe 20 or so. As in, the reason why I prefer to buy all of these things from Aliexpress is because, see, from Aliexpress is a lot cheaper and they are unique compared to the ones you buy in Nigeria that are expensive and very common. Is this? I think this is a phone case. I bought it because it has a letter J. J for Jennifer. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I think it's nice. I bought something like this but blue. And I didn't like it too. I don't know the one that now sent me to go and buy this one. I thought that it would be silicone. It's not really silicone. See, can you see? It's not silicone-ish. It's just there. I wish it was blue because I like the color blue, but that's it. Anyway, that's it, guys. These are all the things I got. I would wait until the other item comes, then I show you guys before this video goes up. So I'll see you then. After almost a month plus, Aliexpress finally brought my remaining packages. And where is the other hairpin that I bought? This is what is inside. I've already opened it. Then this is Baba of them all. This is like the exercise mat. I'm going to be showing you guys what it looks like right now. So the yoga mat came with this workout mat, as I would call it anyway. Came with this staple. This is what it looks like. Really, it has so many other colors. See the color variation here. But I went with blue because I like blue. This is it. This is what it looks like. I'm going to open it on the floor and show you guys. Guys, this seed is so long. Can you see? It's so long. I think it's even folded over there. Let me show you guys how long it is. Let me try and see if I can open this side. Can you see? From here to there. Can you see?